Hello, I'm Sean Scott and I'm 2016 UK Plumber of the Year, and I'm here to demonstrate to you how to install the Evolved by JT. I've been installing JT products to my customers for over 10 years now, and at just 25mm deep, the Evolved by JT is designed to incorporate the simplicity of installing a shower tray with the stunning modern look of a wet room. I'm going to show you the 3 simple stages of fitting the Evolved by JT flat to floor: preparation, fitting and finishing. We are going to use the Mistral grey colour to match our bathroom suite, but other colours are available. Visit just-trays.com to view the range. Before you start, please look at the checklist in your installation guide. These checks should be carried out before installation. Ensure the quality acceptance section has been read and understood. Ensure the enclosure dimensions are compatible with your Evolved by JT shower tray. Check for any transit damage or product defects. Perform a shower tray water drainage test before installation. Let's get started. Stage 1, preparation. Step 1, equipment. You'll need the following to complete the installation: a level, a silicone gun, an antifungal silicone sealant, sanitary grade clear preferably, a trowel, a soft dust sheet, a sand cement mix or flexible tile adhesive, a Phillips size 3 screwdriver and a dustpan and brush. Step 2. Prepare the area where you plan to install the tray by clearing off any debris with a dustpan and brush and level off. Should you be completing a raised installation, please refer to the installation guide for instructions on using the leg assemblies. And skip to stage 3 of this video. Step 3. Place the tray in situ. Scribe a pencil line around the tray in waist position as shown. Ensure you mark out the centre of the waist and then measure and draw a rectangle that is 310mm by 150mm, 30mm from the wall. Cut a hole using a circular saw to accommodate the waist and ensure the floor is well supported. Step 4. Once the area is ready, ensure the flooring is moisture resistant. If the existing floor is not moisture resistant, please use a marine ply base. Step 5. Take your waist out from the box, connect the waist assembly to the pipework and ensure there is a 2-degree fall from the 2 points. Step 6. Position the rubber sealant washer on the waist body and position this under the shower tray. Check the alignment of the shower tray with the waist body. Stage 2. Fitting. Step 1. Cover the base with a 15mm thick 5:1 ratio of sand and cement. You can use a cement-based floor tile adhesive, both work just as well as each other. You need to ensure the mix is level across all areas. Step 2. Carefully lower the tray onto your prepared base. Gently press across the tray to force it into position and level off. Ensure it is completely level across all areas. Step 3. Clamp the waist body to the shower tray using a Phillips size 3 screwdriver. Do not over tighten and insert the screw cover caps. Allow the tray to fully set for 24 hours before proceeding with the final stage. Stage 3. Finishing. Step 1. Cover the tray with a soft dust sheet and commence the tiling where required. Step 2. Complete the installation of the waist by positioning the grid on top of the flange. Step 3. Seal all the joints with antifungal silicone sealant and allow to set to complete the installation. It is really simple to install, but should you have any difficulties, the JT support team are available by calling 0113 201 5090 or send your query to info@just-trays.co.uk. I'd like to thank you on behalf of JT for purchasing the Evolved tray. I hope you and your customer are happy with the product. Thanks for watching.